Okay, kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we have something a little unique. We have a combination lock. It's a master combination lock. It is a 175. And the problem I have is I don't have the key that goes into here to reset the combination. The combination is set at all zeros. Let me show you. Let's do this. Lock, you can't open it. Set it back to 0, and then you open it. And the way this works, quick and dirty, is it locks, and you put it on the combination, in this case 0. It still won't open, but if you hit it, it will open. So at one time I had the key to set this. This key only sets the combination. It's not an override key, so it will not override the combination. And in order to use it, you have to have the combination, okay? So now I'm going to head off to the computer and I'm going to see if I can buy one. So I downloaded this from Thingiverse, the STL file, and I am printing it normal quality, 100% infill, and there's no brim. Sliced it. It's going to take 2 minutes, and it's going to cost me 1 cent. Well, I went on a computer and I found out on Amazon I could buy 2 of them for $9.99, and if you buy the lock, it does come with it. Or I could buy another lock for $15.99, I think it was, or I could print one out. So I go to Thingiverse, and look what I did. I printed one out. And now the way this works, or it should work, is you put it in like this, and you have to press this in, and like that. You see it go in? Now you turn it halfway. Let's hope it doesn't break. Okay? And now let's just set this to 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. Take it out. And let's see. Yep, it's set. Let's go back to the zeros. And there you go. So it did work. Perfect. All right, now that we know this is going to work, let's try to make it out of metal. So I have a piece of sheet metal here. This is a cutoff from a joist hanger, and I didn't measure it, but I'm just kind of eyeballing it, and it appears to be the same width. It's a little thinner, I think, which is actually better, I believe. So let's give it a coat of layout fluid here, and then let's scribe it. I head off to the bandsaw. Obviously I don't film it. And then you see here I have a lot of filing to do and a lot of sanding. But finally I get this thing to fit like it should. There it is. Ha! Look at that. I'm not going to show you this combination because I had it set to what I wanted. Okay, all zeros. Look at that. Put this thing in. Put this thing in like that. 001. Take it out. How about change that? There you go. All right, let's refine this. It's kind of crude, but it works really well. All right, back to the bandsaw. Let's refine that a little bit. Okay, there we go. So we started off with a 3D printed version that worked, and then I made this one. It's a little crude, but it works good. Just like that. Turn it, quarter turn. See where it won. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let's make it 2. Just like that. Go back to 2. Open it up. There you go. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Like I said, it was a quick and dirty video, but I really needed it for my locks here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.